your copier thing.
Yeah.
In the mom room.
Yes, because Mom needed to die. Yes.
Okay.
I don't know if you've seen the chat, Joe.
For some reason, I can't see the chat at all.
Weird.
I think it was.
I
think
did
for some
not
reason
see
it
the
doesn't
chat at
fit.
the time. I see it now. Technically, yes. Basically a matter of if I let you.
Truly the voice of a generation. Or something. I don't remember.
Realistically, what I'd probably do instead is just, create some gum because I have gum magic. So you could chew and blow that into a bubble. But theoretically, if your mouth is large enough, or I happen to be small enough...
A game theory.
Thanks for watching. Joy, you need more knives. Do you understand?
I think what I need is more pals, and I have them now.
What you need is more cowbell.
Are you just leaving red creep everywhere?
That is one of the effects of that is one of the allies I just picked up from oh Jesus.
Hello, Wrath. This is the worst room. This would be literally the worst room if you were using any other setup.
If I didn't already have...
If you didn't have knives.
If I didn't have knives! Who needs knives? I have friends. Friends have knives.
It could be... That room could be worse. There could be more of them. It could be Polywrath.
I'm not ready to take the Polywrath test.
You are all the worst. You are all the worst. You are all collectively the worst. I invite you into my home, and this is the thanks I get.
I gum up the works. Well said, Joy.
Welcome to another boss room. This is the womb. Welcome to the boss womb.
Well, oh no! My home is being tracked into the dirt.
Things are getting dirty in here.
Everything is filled with torment.
I forget, what does the yellow heart do?
As far as I can tell, it doesn't actually give you an extra hit, but when that heart's depleted, a whole lot of money gets dropped.
Right. Okay.
Which would be better if, if I had anything I could spend the bloody money on.
Is there no shop on this floor?
Once you've passed Mom, there are no shops. There are also no item rooms.
Oh. Can there be, like, arcades or anything else?
Yes,
like
there
that?
can be. There can be slot machines and there can be beggars, but those aren't guaranteed.
So you're just sort of stuck with your 83 coins. And unless you get one of those random.
Yes. Mr. Eyeball, could you not?
You've also got more bombs and keys than you will ever need.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ever.
Secret room. Black heart.
You know what you don't have?
What?
Life.
Yeah, I'm sort of hurting. What I am going to do, though, is I'm going to take a second, and I'm going to go get myself another bowl of food, and I'm going to let placenta kick in.
Sounds good.
Okay. Probably should have heated up my food. Whatever, I'll do it later. Where did I put my controller? There's my controller. Okay. This is insanity!
What do you have that's causing the damage numbers to appear? And
Spider
the
mod.
Oh, it's a mod?
No, that's the name of the item is Spider Mod.
Spider mod?
Yeah, you see that little spider right there?
Um,
It looks like a little robo spider and is sort of.
oh, yeah, I see it.
Hold on, I'm gonna.
Spider Moss.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, I've already seen that. Hello, return.
Okay, I am returned. It is
Hello,
great.
return.
Pull up chat. Resume the game. Now that the vacuum is not outside of my door, I can
You can level up.
rev her up.
Level up.
Don't worry, guys. We're only slightly terribly racist.
We are only slightly incredibly racist.
Hope at some point I get to spend all this freaking money. No, I don't want to spend health to gain money. I want to spend money. Game. Oh, thank heavens. Okay, let's see. Let's go, Lurg. Lurg. Lurg.
Well, by the way, has Joe played Undertale yet?
Jote?
I keep forgetting to.
I gifted it to you and everything, man. I invite you into my
how
home.
terrible my memory is.
Dude.
No, I don't need more money. I can't hold any more money now. Oh, crap.
Hey, Joy. Hey, Joy.
That was such a good run.
Joy?
Hold on, I need to mourn.
You know what you could have done with all that money?
Bought some health?
You could ask for a hamburger.
No.
No, that's only if you offer to pay tomorrow.
I thought it was if you offered to pay on Tuesday.
What a world, what a world.
Although I suppose Tuesday is time.
What a world.
What a world. What a world.
What a...
What a world.
I already hate the start to this Eden run.
How does Eden work?
Eden starts with random set of items.
Ah. So you start with wobbly tears and a heart and...
Right now I'm starting with three hearts, the yum heart, the hairball, and the wiggle worm.